Hi, ni hao, Chef Tom. I'm making pan-fried rice. I got some cooked brown rice, chopped some vegetable. Guess what? Kid is hungry again. What can I do? I gotta cook something up. Sprinkle some cheese, whatever cheese that you have. It's good for binding too. Some beaten egg, just a little bit. And then some breadcrumb. I got some teriyaki sauce. Here's some teriyaki soy sauce. Get them a nice and flavor. Or you have some leftover fried rice, will be perfect. Now we're just gonna mix it up. If you have short grain rice, which is the sticky rice, that's even better. Usually it will take about a few minutes. I keep mixing until I can feel the rice start binding together. If the rice not binding together, more likely when you pan fry it, they're not gonna stick. You see, now they're binding together. If not, you might have to add some cornstarch or flour or more breadcrumb to get them a binding. Look, this is good. Now we're just gonna make into like few patty. Spread pan my cutting board. And now, this is a good size, a little bit bigger than the golf ball. And we're just gonna make into like little patty like this. So right here. This is good to eat. Healthy, simple, easy to make. This is just vegetable. If you want to add some crispy bacon, crunchy bacon, that would be great. Chorizo, any smoked meat, it's delicious. Here we go. You want to make the rice patty about the same thickness. Here I'm just going to dip in some cornstarch. We'll give them a better brown at the bottom so they're not easy to break. Now my frying pan is nice and hot. I'm going to turn the heat to medium. Add some vegetable cooking oil. Give them a quick swirl like that. And once you see the oil start dancing, that means they get pretty hot. You can add your rice patty in. That's the right sizzle sound you want to hear. I would just let them cook for like 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I like it one day, nicely brown. Take one peek. Yep, it's almost there. Definitely almost there. Yeah, like this. Beauty. Oh, that's beautiful. It's gonna be so delicious. I think the temperature of the oil is perfectly hot. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. In fact, I turn into a little bit medium low now. This side we're gonna fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Nicely done. Oh, smells so good. Now I'm thinking what kind of sauce to top with that. Here I got some spicy garlic mayo. Or you can use salsa, mustard, ketchup, any kind of aioli. Super hot, but I can handle it. Wow. Look at that. Crunchy from the rice. It's almost like a rice flour, but it's brown rice, so healthy. Some mixed vegetable. Good teriyaki flavor. Delicious. Good sauce. Good balance. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. I have to save some for my kid.